Hi guys, today I'm gonna share a recipe with you. It's a unique cold cake recipe. The ingredients you need are 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, 2 tablespoon milk, 3 to 4, it's up to you, 3 to 4 tablespoon sugar, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, 3 to 4 bars of chocolate, any chocolate, pieces of chocolate, and 1 beaten egg, and any kind of rich tea biscuits, 150 gram. So let's begin our recipe. We need slow flame, and put 1 tablespoon butter in it. And mix it. When it gets melted, add sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar in it. Start mixing it and put 2 tablespoons of milk. On a very slow flame. Let's mix it the cocoa powder and the egg. Mix it properly. I'm gonna add the cocoa powder and egg mixture in it. Now I'm gonna add 3 to 4 pieces of chocolate, any chocolate. I'm adding the Cadbury chocolate in it. Get it melt. And I'm gonna add almonds, green sultana, and pistachio. You can add cashew nut as well. Mix it properly. It's ready like this. Everything is melted properly. Now we are going to pour it in the biscuits. It's a very quick recipe and it's a children's favorite recipe. So mix them properly. It is ready like this. Then put in the fridge freezer bag. Mix it like this and then make a roll. It is ready. Put this in the freezer for 10 hours and I have one already. After ready, cut it like this. The shape is like this. Try it at home. Your children will definitely like it, and share and subscribe my channel. So, and next time I'll share another recipe with you. Thank you.
Oh, done.